Welcome back to Phalcon tutorial 11. Today I will talk about partial function and include function. These two function is similar but also declaration difference. That is, when I define partial statement, then we take double curly bracket, but when I include statement define, then use one curly bracket and another percentage. What is the main difference between partial and include? Partial allow you to include template made in Bolt and in other template engine, as well allow you to pass an expression like a variable, allow you to include the content of another view dynamically. It is better if the content that you have to include change frequently. And include statement copies the compiled content into the view, which improve the performance. Only allow to include template made with Bolt require an existing template at compile time. So include statement only support Bolt syntax, but partial support PHP syntax and Bolt syntax. Let's try on code editor. First I open my code editor and delete each of the things. As that is, first check. I also change my font size. I use 18. Now it's look like better. First I create a partial directory. Partial directory and write header file, header.bolt as header.bolt. Now write this. Copy this header and paste inside on there. Open this. First I test include statement. Therefore I write include our partial directory partials and write header. Save and reload. As our partial option is worked. Try without syntax extension. I remove this extension and try again. This time partial method not worked. Back and try partial method. Sorry, I directly use this partial. Copy and paste inside on there. Partial slash header dot bold. Save and reload. Sorry, my spelling mistakes. Header and try again. Change without extension. Yes, this time it's worked. Now I will try with variable. How to pass variable? Look at that. This array function declare when you pass variable. Now I pass data with link like this. Open browser and I delete this link and set links. Back to header and type reload. Yes, now I change full array. Use full array, that is link is this link and name. My links and set any links. I copy this link and set on there. Back to browser and reload. This link on there. We need also change. This changes header name and type their links. Yes, my link is this link. It's worked. Now I use include statement. I use this comments. Back to Phalcon and type include statement. Include with parameter. This is my templates directory. And with below, and this is my below. Check this function is work or not. I create some problem. Open on there and header dot bold. Change something and bolt was not found. Okay, error, that is this error. Save and try again. As this time it's worked. Look at that. Include partial dot header. Sorry. Include partial slash header. This header without extension. This bolt extension. When I pass data inside on header dot bolt file, then not require dot bolt. And if you not pass data, then require bolt inside on there. And check. Change header. Thanks for watching.